Welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you boost your productivity and achieve your goals. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make the most of your workday. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list or struggling to stay focused, this video is for you. We'll be sharing tips and strategies to help you set clear goals, manage your time effectively, and maximize your productivity. Making the most of your workday is essential for achieving your goals and maximizing your productivity. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your workday. Set clear goals. Start your day by setting clear goals for what you want to achieve. Identify the most important tasks and prioritize them accordingly. Create a to-do list. Make a to-do list for the day and keep it visible throughout the day. This will help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Use time blocking. Block off specific periods of time on your calendar for different tasks and stick to your schedule as much as possible. This will help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Minimize distractions. Minimize distractions like social media, email, and unnecessary meetings. Turn off notifications on your phone and use tools like website blockers to help you stay focused. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks throughout the day can help you stay energized and focused. Take a short walk, stretch, or meditate to help you recharge. Use technology to your advantage. Use technology to help you automate tasks, manage your time, and stay organized. Use tools like task management apps, email filters, and productivity software to help you work more efficiently. Stay organized. Keep your workspace organized and tidy, and make sure you have everything you need to complete your tasks. This will help you stay focused and avoid wasting time searching for things. Learn to say no. If someone asks you to take on a task that is not essential or urgent, learn to say no. This will help you prioritize your time and focus on what's most important. Remember, making the most of your workday requires discipline and consistency. With practice, you can develop the habit of working more efficiently and achieving your goals. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling more confident about managing your time and achieving your goals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.